You know, come down, ride your brakes.
Woo!
Ride your brakes. Alright, so one.
How's it going?
Okay,
Corey,
so do you know the Parkway?
from Virginia Beach, driving a 2001 Tacoma.
Right off the
It's
Parkway.
got about over 250,000 miles, 3-inch
so
lift,
up,
33-inch tires.
right there.
Awesome.
So you have,
Few other
like,
mods.
Yorktown,
Let's go wheeling.
like the Cheatham Annex area.
There we go. Looks good. Clearance looks good.
I just want to make sure the front bumpers are turn left and I don't know.
We in?
Keep blinking. That's right. Come on, let's see what it does.
Words of the wise.
All right, bring her up. Come on, come on. And bring her up.
It's in four-wheel.
Give it a little bump just where you hit it. I'll tell you when. All right, bump it. Go back again. Come on. All right, hit it. Go.
Oh.
So close, so close. Okay, well, let's bring you over this way a little bit. I think we've kind of intermediate to the medium. This slot right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's easy.
For now, at least.
Yeah.
Who knows when that'll change?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
That's just a tire rubbing in the fender. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought that was a fender rubbing in the tree.
Alright, come on. Watch this tree right here. I'll keep down your front end. You want this, alright? Alright. Come on. Get ready to drop on your. You're going to drop that at the same time. Cut the wheel a little bit. Alright, come on. Get ready to come down, ride your brakes.
Woo!
Ride your brakes. Alright, so one. Get ready to come down your passenger side.
You're good.
Alright, come on.
Fender rubbing. Wow. Very good. Yeah.
There you go. Straighten out. Straighten out. Keep coming. Keep going. Keep coming. There you go, bud.
Nice driving.
These shirts really rough. I know. I struggle with them now. Now we're struggling with the electric.
Looks good, Corey.
Let me get the other side. And I'll get your phone. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Does he want his?
I want them all.
You want me to take it on yours?
Y'all should stand in the back corner and take a look at that.
All right.
Although this is quite impressive looking too.
Jeez, yeah, looks like a lowrider back here.
Kind of like with those kids who are spending big money to squat their pickup.
Yes.
Do it for the Yodas, right?
Right, yep.
Tacoma has not done this yet.
Nope, first time. So good for you, Corey.
Alright, come on.
Oh, he's going over.
That's me. There you go. Come on, keep your foot there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So you can back it up. You can
Yeah.
do a bump over the small car.
I was gonna say reverse might be a viable option.
No traction back here.
Okay.
Good try there, man. Good try. Hey, worth a shot, right? That's right.
Yep.
I've been working on the railroad.
Yeah. She wanted to do something.
Yeah. You want to try that? Let's try it. Okay. Yeah. Winch?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we got to unspool it quite a bit anyway.
When Jeff says how much I should
back.
you should wear it.
Hey, Wyatt, we're going to run it back.
It's a synthetic snatch block.
Double the rope we got out right now.
Thank you.
That was immediately. What happened?
Absolutely.
My first time I actually tried it, so I'll see how it works.
Yeah. Okay. I was making sure.
Can you explain to us what's going on
So,
here, Eric?
So what's happening is this is going to be used as a pulley, and it's going to essentially double the pulling power.
That's right.
Of the winch line.
Okay, and we're pulling that back to the TJ.
Correct.
From which is being winched. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
And that's actually a specific for a synthetic line.
Okay. Link in the description.
I think this, I would have gone through the whole bar. I don't like
I don't think he needs a whole lot.
All right, if it starts to struggle, we need to rehook that.
Yeah, that doesn't look very thick.
You want to?
I would have loved to have seen a pin tool.
We've got no tension under it right now. Why? Let me we're not on great hardware right here.
Hold on.
Theory here is you want to be connected to something stout.
Correct. Yeah, so we're gonna go through the whole tow bar up here. There we go. And that is
That's a lot more comforting.
yes.
Oh,
Need 3 hands to operate this. I don't know if that snatch block might not work from that angle, which is I guess is why Jeff was doing that. What do you guys? Yeah, it's all in there. So if we
All right, you put it in there. We'll spin the knot to the other side,
Yep.
and there we go. We're in there.
Okay.
all right. You got it?
So which side is it tight? Okay, we'll find out.
That's pretty neat. Okay. Now cameraman has to back up so he's not in utter danger.
Unless we've got this backwards.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what we see y'all do.
Yeah.
Keep going. There's somebody building that line up. All right, slow down. All right, everybody clear out. You're getting this on camera, right?
Okay. Sorry. No,
Hold on, back it out a little bit. Back the truck.
Okay.
All right, take it in.
Big Daddy, oil changer post. Almost got it. Barbara here is a beginner off-roader, and she's learning all the stuff today.
Alright, going to pull.
She's coming.
Right on your brakes. Okay.
She's coming. It's almost off. That's all you need, right?
Hold it. Hold up.
You want to put it apart, Cory, just so you don't run us over?
Well, that worked pretty well there.
Yep.
Now, why did we do the tour?
Test out just new equipment.
Mechanical advantage.
What's the brand on that?
This is a
I won that at raffle 2 weeks ago.
Did you really?
custom splice.
All right.
Custom splice snatch block for synthetic rope. And it is 36,000 pounds rated.
Nice. We'll see if we can put a link for that in the description.
Yep.
It's an excellent find.
Jeff, I'm going to throw this in your Jeep.
Great job on the recovery, guys. Might be umbrella time here in a few minutes.